Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our ERIGO Employee Account. Let's get started. So to log into your ERIGO Employee Account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you have to search for ERIGO Employee Login. After searching for ERIGO Employee Login, now what you can do is after searching for ERIGO Employee Login, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option, and by tapping on that first option you'll direct to this website. And from here what you can do is in the top right corner of your screen you can find client and employee area, and inside that section what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is client and employee login. And by tapping on client and employee login, you just have to scroll down, and here you can find these two options. I'll just tap on employee login. After tapping on employee login, now what you can do is just simply enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. You can also register your account if you don't have one, but if you have an account you can just simply tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your username or if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is easily reset or recover your username or password by tapping on any one of those options that you have forgotten. So if you have forgotten your password, you can just tap on that, or if you have forgotten your username, you can just tap on forgot username and then create a new username or password. After doing that, just come back to this login page and then enter the new username or password that you have created, then tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your ERIGO employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.